In today's video, I want to share with us a secret tool that I just found out that will help you skyrocket your sales on TikTok Shop. If you're on TikTok Shop, then this video is for you. Do you want to know the trending products online, and or you want to know the trending products you want to sell online? Then keep watching this video while I introduce to you FastMoss analytic tool for TikTok. These tools help you spy on your competitors and also let you know the trending products that will help you go viral, or that will make you know the type of products you want to sell on your TikTok shop. So without any further ado, let's dive straight to the system right now. Let me show you how it works. Okay. So tech lover, this is FastMoss TikTok analytic, okay, and it's located in United States, Indonesia, Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, and United Kingdom. If you're in this any of these countries, you can make use of this platform, okay. And it's going to, if you use my link, I have a code that I'm going to be putting in my description. If you use my code, you're going to be getting 10% discount, and you're going to get 7 days free trials here. So this is my dashboard, and you can spy live. As you can see, this is live search. This is live search. Starts in the last 7 days, you find live. So these were those people that came live on TikTok shop. You can see their product. And if I click on this person, and it says it's ranking 1.1K national rank, okay? And number of live, everything, analytic of the life is there. So this is for the product. You can do product search. You can do top selling, new product. So product search, you can search any of the product. For example, if you choose this household cleaner, okay, let's click on the household cleaner. This is sold for $6, and it's giving us is ranking number 2, 50 shop domestic ranking. He already has like 8.8 million total revenue in total. Okay. And this you can search live, you can go live on FastMoss. So you can also do top selling. These are the top selling people that are on TikTok shop. You can spy them. Made $2.5 million and is ranking number 13. Already sold 84,000, 7K. Yeah, already total units sold. Then overview, total related creator. You can also spy for creators also on this platform. 1.0K, related live 1.51, and total products sold is 91.3K. So these are kept in categories. This is find product, stop selling TikTok product, most promoted by creators, high commission product. So if we click on it, so these are the top selling products on TikTok shop. As you can see, the location is there. This is the United States. If you are looking for something like this to sell, you're selling the product. We have this women tie waist sports leggings yoga pants. Okay, it's really is on the top in the US that is ranking. So as you can see, it's one of the top ranking. You can spy them, and you can see what they are doing that you can also emulate in your product. So this is high commission products. It's loading. These are the high commission products, dance mats, earrings, cases, interior care, as you can see. And it says commission rate 80%, 7 days revenue. Let's see this. Yeah, 7 days revenue, 1.7 million. This guru, this is a mouthwash, 40% rate. Um, then already sold this cleanser. I think this wellness supplement really sold a lot. This unit sold there is 82.6K. That's a lot. And total revenue in 7 days is $1.1 million. So this is a very good tools for you to get. And if you are going to get these tools, if you use my code, I'm going to be putting the code on the screen, then you're going to get a discount. And the pricing goes like this. The basic price is $29, and this is all you get for it. We have the pro and we have the team. So I would advise you just start with the basic. And if you, let's try and do some example. If you want to subscribe, just go subscribe. Yeah, referral code, you're going to put my code, and my code is, so you get a referral code, you put the code here, and the code is BA2435. So you get a discount. Okay. And FastMoss offers the TikTok data analytics service and is committing to becoming the most complete and excellent analytics tools in the global market. Okay. So about the complaint, let's know about the complaint. What do we do? FastMoss is committed to becoming an excellent data analytics tool in the area of short videos and live, helping TikTok global practitioners become better this new era, facilitating entrepreneurship for individuals, creating warmer atmosphere for content production, issuing more exciting advertising, bringing brands closer to consumers, raising life efficiency, and make the e-commerce 2.0 era colorful. Okay, so this is a very useful tools for everyone that has a shop on TikTok shop. Okay, and you will see how your sales will skyrocket. So let me show you other stuff. So you can find creators, right? Is in three: TikTok creators with best sales, e-commerce live creators, and e-commerce video creators. Find shop. You can also find shop, US fully managed S store, stores with highest units sold with the highest revenue. Then you can also find people that goes live. Okay, most viewed e-commerce lives with highest units sold, lives with highest revenue. Then for ads, for those of us that run ads, you can find ads here. Ads with the highest impression, e-commerce ads with the highest impression, apps ads with the highest engagement, game ads with highest likes. Okay, and these are the US product rank that I think we've gone through this at the beginning of this conversation. Then if we scroll down, so these are Project S products. As you can see, as of yesterday, 1.7K units sold. Okay. And total sold, total products sold, total units sold is 67.1K. And this is a summer electric food, which is one of the top ranking that is selling on TikTok shop. As you can see, this is the product. you know. So once again, you will get 7 days free trial when you sign up, and it's easy to sign up for it, very easy and straightforward. So if you're looking for any creators, this is the US creator rank. As you can see, Eric Winter followers 2.7 million followers, right? And let's see. So you can also check him, you can check his status and everything. If he's selling something, just check your favorites person, your favorite creator. Then this is the US shop rank on TikTok shop. As you can see, e-commerce revenue 223.4K. Let's see. Then we have the trending e-commerce live, those that goes live on TikTok shop. As you can see they are live already. They are selling their product live already. As you can see, it's popping up. Can you see the signal of live? This is a live data. We have this person has 57 persons that are on a live view right now, and she already sold 206 units sold. She has 10,000 over 10,000 followers. So these are the top ranking on TikTok shop. As you can see, live rank. They are live rank. These are the top 10, up to 10. And as you can see, FastMoss, if you need to contact them, you use the QR code to WhatsApp them, and this is their email address. So this is a very interesting tool for everybody that wants to sell or that is having an e-commerce website or that is selling on TikTok shop. As you can see, the categories, we have the shopping and retail, home, furnitures and appearance. We have the beauty and fashion and product category, this creator category, then the product category, women wears and underwear, men wears and underwear, kids fashion, Muslim fashion, shade, luggage and bag. Okay, come to the end of these tutorials. Enjoy these tutorials. As you all know, FastMoss analytic tools is going to help you with your TikTok analytic. If you have a TikTok shop or you want to spy on any of these products, you are thinking of selling a product and you're not sure of the product, you can easily go to FastMoss, sign up for it using my code. The code is going to be in the description and you get discount, and you also get 7 days free trials to make use of FastMoss. Thank you, FastMoss, for promoting this video. If you're new here, please kindly like this video, subscribe, comment, and share out this video. Also, let me know in the comments section what you think. What do you think about FastMoss analytic tools for TikTok? Do you like it? If you've used this type of tools before, can you tell me what is your take on this? See you in my next video. Bye for now.